The movement of the Earth. Rotation. Do you remember that the Earth rotates on its axis? Do this experiment to understand what an axis is. You need a bangle and a table tennis ball. Spin the bangle. You will see a central line around which the bangle spins. This is its axis. The axis does not exist, it is an imaginary line. Label the axis in this picture of a spinning bangle. Now spin the ball. It will also spin around an axis, but you will not be able to see it. Like the ball, the Earth also spins around its axis. We cannot see this axis. See some more things about the Earth. You will need a globe. Can you point out the north and south poles? The axis passes through both the poles. The Earth always spins in the same direction, from west to east. Spin the globe from west to east. Watch it turn around its axis. Can you point out the north and south poles? The axis passes through both the poles. The Earth always spins in the same direction, from west to east. Spin the globe from west to east. Watch it turn around its axis. The diagram shows you the axis and the two poles of the Earth. You can also see the slightly tilted axis of the Earth. The spinning movement of the Earth is called rotation. Day and night. A bangle or ball spins quite fast. The Earth spins more slowly. It takes 24 hours to complete one rotation. This is what happens. As the Earth rotates, the parts of the Earth facing the Sun get light. These areas have day. The opposite side of the Earth, which does not get the Sun's light, has night. During the 24 hours that the Earth takes for one rotation, every part of the Earth will have day and night. One complete day on Earth is 24 hours long, because the Earth takes 24 hours to complete one rotation. The Earth spins continuously, so we have a continuous cycle of day and night. Did you know? Mars, Earth's neighbor, rotates a little slower than the Earth. It takes about 24 hours and 40 minutes to complete one rotation. Revolution. The Earth seems unmoving to us, but it is moving all the time. It rotates on its axis. At the same time, it also moves around the Sun on a fixed path, which is called its orbit. The movement of the Earth around the Sun is called revolution. The Earth moves extremely fast in its revolution around the Sun, at a speed of 30 kilometers per second. It takes 365 days and 6 hours to complete one revolution around the Sun. This is why a year has 365 days. Did you know? The Moon revolves around the Earth. It takes a little over 27 days to complete a revolution. Leap year. A year has 365 days, but the Earth takes 365 days and 6 hours for a complete orbit. The 6 extra hours from each year are added up. In 4 years these become 24 hours, 6 times 4 equals 24. These 24 hours are equal to 1 day. This is an extra day. Every 4th year, this extra day is added to the year. The year with an extra day is called a leap year. The extra day is added to the month of February, which has 29 days in a leap year. Therefore, a leap year has 366 days. The movements of the Earth are regular and never changing. New words. Tilted. Sloping, this is a tilted line. Vertical. Absolutely straight, this is a vertical line. Leap year. Every 4th year that has 366 days instead of 365. Remember. 1. The axis of the Earth is an imaginary line passing through the two poles, it is slightly tilted. 2. The Earth has two types of movement, rotation and revolution. 3. The Earth's rotation takes 24 hours and causes day and night. 4. The Earth's revolution takes 365 days and 6 hours. 5. The extra 6 hours add up to give an extra day every 4 years. This is a leap year, which 366 days. The extra day is added to the month of February. Write true or false. 1. The Earth rotates from east to west. False. 2. The axis is an imaginary line running through the center of the Earth. True. 3. All spinning objects spin around an axis. True. 4. The Earth completes one revolution in 366 days. True. 5. The Earth's axis is tilted slightly. True. 6. The Earth moves on its orbit at a speed of 50 kilometers per second. False. 1. Why is the full sphere of Earth is not visible? Sunlight get only the Earth-facing side, but the opposite side is dark and invisible. 2. Which sides of the Earth is facing the Sun? All the sides. One sentence question answer. 1. What is the axis of the Earth? The Earth spin around an imaginary tilted line which passes through both North Pole and South Pole. This line is called the axis of the Earth. 2. How long does the Earth take for one rotation? The Earth takes 24 hours for one rotation. 3. What does the rotation of the Earth cause? The rotation causes day and night. 4. In which direction does the Earth rotate? You may draw a diagram to show this. The Earth rotates west to east. 5. What is rotation? The spinning movement of the Earth is called rotation. 6. The Earth spins more slowly. True. 7. The Earth moves continuously, so we have a continuous cycle of day and night. True. 8. What is an orbit? A fixed path in which the Earth moves around the Sun is called an orbit. 9. What is the Earth's revolution? The movement of the Earth around the Sun is called the Earth's revolution. 10. How long does the Earth take for one revolution? The Earth takes 365 days and 6 hours for one complete revolution. 11. Explain why a leap year has 366 days. Every fourth year, one extra day is added to the year. The year with an extra day is called a leap year. As a result, leap year has 366 days. Some math. The Earth travel in 1 minute 1,800 kilometers. So, the Earth travel in 30 minute equals 1800 * 30 kilometers equals 54,000 kilometers. So, the Earth travel in 35 minute equals 1800 * 35 kilometers equals 63,000 kilometers. Bye bye. Amu Kutu.